Hello friends. I hope you followed this link today because you'd like to learn how to dress up a wine bottle and a liquor bottle in the form of a bride and a groom. Now I have chosen a strawberry wine and a Tennessee whiskey because when I'm giving this as a gift to a bride and groom, I like to include the lyrics of the song by Chris Stapleton called Tennessee Whiskey Strawberry Wine. And it just makes a cute gift addition when they're getting this little bride and groom set. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this and decorate it. It's very simple and it elevates this gift quite a bit. I think you're going to like it. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what items we need. We're going to need various types of pearls. Sometimes I like to add some gems on it. You can do both together or just pearls or just gems. Then I like this Dollar Tree ribbon that's sticky. I like to put that around the label of the wine bottle. It kind of makes the label stand out and helps with the decoration. You're going to need some black ribbon to tie up a little black bow tie. We've got this cute little rose that's going to be the boutonniere on the groom. And then of course we're going to have a bridal veil made with this tulle. I think that's how you say it, but it's also from Dollar Tree. So this is very inexpensive. The most money you're going to pay there is for the wine and the liquor. So let's get started and I'll show you how we do this. I always start with putting the ribbon around the wine bottle first. So I usually come one above there at the top of the label, if you can see that. And I try to go one below or just cut it off right there where it's close to one below because we can put it on the label just a little bit there at the bottom. So it looks to me like I'm going to be cutting this right here around this flower. Now if you notice, the flowers end in a circle, so you kind of want to cut that last one off and make sure that your finished one is that circle. Since they're interwoven, it kind of you know, messes up the next flower, but that's okay. You're having a perfectly rounded end there. So this is Dollar Tree. We just peel this up, place that right down the side of the bottle. Like I said, a full flower above that one side. You just adhere it on there. There it is so far. Now what I like to do is go on 3 sides because this is all going to be pearls up here. So I like to add another side right down here on the 3 sides, another row of this pretty pre-stuck ribbon from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now we've embellished a double row of ribbon, the pearl and diamond ribbon there around 3 sides, and we have one here across the top. Now we're going to start adding some pearls here to make out kind of the top of the bridal dress, and we're just going to glue those on. So there we have the pearls placed at the top of the wine bottle that's going to be like the top of her wedding dress, and the double row of the ribbon going around. Now what I like to do is take some of the same ribbon and bring it up as if it's going around her neck for, you know, like the top of her dress here. So I'm going to apply this type of ribbon, carry it on up, and take it to the neck to look like, you know, the completed dress here. So all the pearls and ribbons have been placed on. I've got this little neck piece going here around the bottle. I really, really like it. Now we're going to place the veil on the bride bottle. Now I just gathered this ribbon here together. Just folded it, gathered it at the top. I put this little cute inside area here and just placed a row of the pearl buttons there just to go kind of, you know, as you can sort of see it inside the veil. Now what we're going to do is this veil is going to get placed on the back. You want to make sure you get it right there in the center so it'll hang down both sides. Oh, and I did place this little cute little piece of one of the ribbons on there too. So we're just going to glue that. So there we have the veil on. And I like to turn it over. And sometimes the bride has a beautiful, beautiful row of buttons down her back. So that's when I like to take this strand of pearls that are already attached. They're already nice and straight and evenly spaced for you. And you could just take them and run them right down like the back of the bride's dress. So I'm going to apply that right now. The last thing I like to do is sometimes the veil has like a little diamond area right here going around to connect it around the bride. So I'm going to see if I think I'm going to like that, and I will apply that right there. Let's just see what it looks like. Now that we have the bride completed, of course I'll go back in and, you know, double check, make sure I've gotten all the little glue strings off. But the bride is finished, and now it's on to the groom, which is super simple. 2 glue dots, 2 items, and he's finished. So let's get the groom done. Okay, so we got our whiskey bottle here. I just took this black ribbon and glued up a really cute bow tie. We're going to put that bow tie, apply it right there where the neck would be on the groom. Going to glue that on. Get that bow tie attached. And our last little element on our groom is his cute little boutonniere, which we just have to apply the glue on there and put his little flower on, his little boutonniere. And just like that, the groom is ready. So there we have it. The bride and the groom bottles have been made, and now they're just ready for gifting to the happy couple. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I want to thank you for crafting with me today. So long.